Hello! We are driving from Winder, Georgia to Pigeon Forge and decided to drop off at Harrah's Casino for lunch. It's a casino that we had heard of before, but I wanted to pop by since we were driving through town. It was really confusing trying to find the parking, but the parking was free. I don't even know if we parked in the correct area. There was a really long hallway that walked down that brought us to this map that really confused us even more, but we figured out how to get to food. So we head up this escalator, and one thing I want to point out as we're going up the escalator, which I thought was really cool, this bar to the right has a band stand on top. I didn't even notice it until I was going over the video footage. I was like, holy cow, there's a band. I think you could watch a band on top of that. Anyway, we ended up at Gordon Ramsay's food kitchen or food market. If you look around, there's a lot of places to eat, but you have to order everything off of those kiosks that you just saw. So there's no register. You go and look around and look at all the menus and come back to the kiosk and order your food. We ended up with chicken and fish. It was pretty good. So if you look at this place, it's gorgeous. Look at that pool. It's sitting right on the water. We definitely want to come back at some point and have a stay. Maybe go to a concert here. But back to the car for some travel time.
So I remember all this. Somewhere, I wonder if it's too inappropriate if there's an Indian statue. Picture of me as a little kid, right?
Of
me standing next to that Indian statue.
You're going to the right here.
Indian chief. And I thought it would be cool to go get that same picture today.
Wayback Inn, right across from the island at Pigeon Forge. We were greeted by Sharona and Lorelei, and they were super nice, and they made sure we get our Marriott Bonvoy discount because we're members. And here's our room. We can see our car. A little bit of light coming through, but that's okay. Alright. TV, bench. That's nice for suitcases. A Keurig. Things for hanging things. Oh, you got water. I got some bathrobes. Cute little refrigerator. Little drawers. Lights and a little couch. I wonder if that pulls out into a bed. Oh, it looks like it does. Maybe. I don't know. King size bed. Barn doors. Where's the light? Where's the light? Oh, here's the light. Mirror, closet, extra towels and things, walk-in shower, there a light here, there is, toilet, it's got the soap, and the shampoo and the things. Alright, what is that? This is nice. We always bring a fan. So beside the bed, they got USB and regular plug outfits and Netflix, apparently. I mean, for the most part, it seems clean. So I was just sitting on the couch and I thought, oh, it's a little cool in here. I want a blanket, and then I saw there's a blanket on the bed. How nice is that? I don't think I've been in a room where you could just, well, I mean, they have them in the closet up high, but like just like you were at home, you have a little blanket on the bed. Bathrooms, very cute, very cozy. When we checked in, they gave us drink vouchers, so we used those We went to the pool for a little while. It's a really nice pool area, very clean, and no kids after, I think it was 6 o'clock. So that was really nice. And so we had some drinks, and then we went and got dressed and headed over to the island. So smash that subscription button and join us in our next video for an adventure over at the island.